What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this course we're going to cover what you need to know to create your very first video game in Unreal Engine 4. So as we progress through this course you should hopefully be able to learn what planning goes into creating your very first indie game and then use what we have learned to create it. Many people have great ideas for video games. Some people spend years planning all the little details, but those great ideas just never get created, because the programming is something completely more complex. Unreal Engine 4 combats this issue by providing a user-friendly programming experience that is both easy to learn and understand, and is one of the most powerful game engines that really brings out your creative side. Creating a game can sometimes take years, but every time you work in your game, always take it as a learning opportunity. I've been using Unreal Engine 4 since late 2015 and still learn new things every day. The important thing is to always never give up when you have creative blocks. We'll be using Unreal Engine 4 along with some comprehensive planning to carefully map out exactly how we want our game to function, and with some quick node-based programming that Unreal Engine 4 provides, it is both quick and easy to go from having an idea to prototyping, testing it and refining it. In the next episode we will learn the different ways of how to plan our game.